Hello everybody, well I'm in the workshop today because we've had an arrival. It is a Ferranti valve radio from 1946 and it's quite big. There's my hand in comparison, it's big. I've started restoration on this unit. It's gorgeous, it's in absolutely superb condition. As many of you restorers will know, all the wax capacitors and most electrolytics have been changed. I haven't touched these ones up here because they're fine and I don't really want to change them, but all wax capacitors have been changed in the unit. There we go, looking lovely. This had a problem whereby the person who gave this to me said that the dial cord had snapped. Well, it hadn't. There was some dial cord flopping about in the bottom of the cabinet. God knows how that had got there, and that's why he gave it to me. He also gave it me to restore because he knows I restore vintage radios. And it turns out that it was just, he hadn't really had a look inside it, and this pulley here was slipping and causing it not to work. But as you can see, I have done a quick fix. I have fixed it. There we go. Working lovely. Let me just turn this over. Oh, yeah, there are the old wax capacitors now. All horrid. What was that one? Camera focus. Yep, there we are. 0.05, and these are the original Ferranti ones. So I can go up there. Let me just turn the radio around. Sorry I've had to put you down like this. God, it's heavy. It's heavy. Oh! Here we go. Now, this is the oldest thing in my collection because it's 1946. Look at these valves. Ooh. Don't they look lovely like light bulbs? They're really teeny tiny compared to these valves. We just pull one out here. There we go. Look at that. Let's put that side by side with an EABC80. You can kind of see the difference. Yeah. Let's put that there. This is a CV1863 replacement. I've heard that these valves are quite expensive to buy, and this radio has not really had that much use, and the valves are in absolutely really nice condition. We just put that back into its holder. There's a little nut thing, a little nipple. Where is that? There. So it's time for a switch on. I've not replaced the mains cable. They did replace it, the person who had it, but they've not really done a very good job. So that's going to be my next job, and also to polish the cabinet and the knobs. But let's switch it on. As you can see, now you may be thinking, oh my god, there's only 2 dial bulbs working. Well, no, because if I had to switch it onto shortwave and then switch to long wave, you can see that it switches between them. How cool is that? On the front you've got volume, tone, tuning of course, and wave change. This is a short wave, long wave, medium wave unit. So turn it up. There's the volume. Should get something out of it. Oh, that's why we're not getting anything. I was getting worried then because the aerial isn't connected. Okay. Let me just connect up my aerial, which is basically just a very primitive aerial. It's just a piece of wire. In fact, it's an old mains cable that's just been wrapped together, but it will serve the purpose. So let's go. It's night time. What time is it now? 35 minutes past 9. So, there'll be... Oh, there we are. Lovely. So let's give it a tune. Football.
And they thought that this group is just so different and a different contrast to what was going on at the time. But formed 2 years earlier in 1967. 0845 113 2222. You can email ray@magicradio.com.
Quite weak. I was playing with this before, and I found that shortwave was really loud. Switch to shortwave.
نعم ونحمي لها الحزن عندما ربي ينادي القرآن الكريم
That's mainly for vegetables, but we do have those canine teeth, like it's named after a canine like a dog. You know, the ones, the Dracula.
She's very busy. Long wave. There won't be really that much going on in long wave. Yep. A lovely sound. And I'm going to shut this off now and listen to the football. So thanks for watching everybody, and I can't wait to get all this back in the cabinet, polished up, and it make you looking it lovely. Thanks for watching everybody, see you soon.